Hey, I'm Rob Koch. I am a principal at Slalomville. I'm an AWS data hero as well, and we're here doing this hero interview today with Chris Williams.
Hey everybody, my name is Chris Williams. I'm a Principal Cloud Solutions Architect and Cloud Therapist for Worldwide Technologies. I am also an AWS hero, and we're here at reInvent, and I'm super excited to be doing this.
So we're here to talk about mentoring and how we work with people in the capacity of tech, how to upskill them,
Yep.
how to bring their best self to work every day. The things that I learn about myself when I'm mentoring are quite valuable, and you can explain to different people in different situations and how to help guide them. When I give guidance to others, will I do the same thing maybe in the future? So it's kind of like a way that I've realized can benefit both of us.
Mentoring is something that's been close to my heart for a long time. I thought that when I became a mentor, it was going to be me dispensing nuggets of wisdom, and it kind of being a one-way street. What really surprised me was how bi-directional that relationship became. So I still talk to most of my mentees, even as they've progressed in their careers and gotten past the need of having a mentor. And it's helped me to level up my own ability to be a coach. I've helped them level up, not only learning about some technical thing, but also helping them with like the day-to-day things like salary negotiation or even relationship advice. I found that the best way to learn a product or a service or a thing is to go at it with the thought that you're going to have to teach it. Learning something for the sake of learning something is one level, but learning it to teach it to other people is 10 times more involved. You really have to delve into all of the corner cases that you normally wouldn't look at if you're just coming at it from a student perspective.
What do you do with the university students in particular? What do you notice that they are typically looking for in a mentoring relationship?
What's the best way to get into work? University students have that catch-22 of not being able to get a job because they don't have experience and not getting experience because they don't have a job. So what I try to do is I try to help them bridge that gap. Because I'm an AWS hero, I have a lot of connections in the local area, the local community. I can help them find paid internships. I can help them with their salary negotiation. If they're weak in a certain area, whether that be interpersonal communication or technologically, I can help them beef that up and give them recommendations on things they can study. With this program, Diversify Thinking, that I've been working with, it's very interesting because they try to pair you with somebody that is completely opposite of what you're normally comfortable working with. By connecting people from different facets of life and different aspects, it allows us to learn about a new facet of their life and how to think through the lens of them and have some more empathy for that situation.
Yeah, sometimes we grow as a person and we can maybe outgrow our particular mentor at that time. So maybe their interests have changed. You know, there's all kinds of factors and we're not tied to one relationship for life, right?
A friend of mine from high school, she has this phrase and it's stuck with me for this entire time. The phrase is, "We rise by lifting others." It's kind of a riff off of "All boats rise with the tide," and I truly believe that. I truly believe that the more good vibes and help and education and content that I can spread out through the world, the more people that I help, it's an enriching experience. Mentoring somebody is enriching for both the mentor and the mentee in ways that you can't even anticipate. I would highly recommend anybody that's thinking about doing it to do it.
Feel free to reach out to either one of us, especially if you're a deaf individual watching. Feel free to reach out and let us know.
Thank you. And I appreciate you teaching me my first bits of sign language.
Python, right? That's a sign